Well, Babylon men will say you a bluff. Load up another cup.
Move fight. I miss say hey natty dreadlocks.
So where you come from?
Morning people. Big up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if this is your first time. My name is Akeen. Camera lover. Love the camera, so I go out and film B-roll, all that good stuff. Yes, no hesitation. As you come, leave a like on the video. And if you're not subscribed as yet, definitely click subscribe. So how you like it's that up thumbs up button down here and a red button below all of that. Subscribe. Thank you. So, why are we here this morning? I don't know. If I your first time over here, don't fret. It's normally exciting when we don't know what we are doing. So, the routine is we come, we do look at exercise.
Muscles I need to burn.
Then we get a photo for Instagram. Then we go down by Jamiewood City. Find out if them have no new cast members. Find out how the link up go on. The whole work. So that us go down by Jamiewood City, talk to some people. Probably put one movie or one short film in here. And, you know, make the thing exciting and fun. But wait. We actually do know what we are doing. I just said it. So, yeah guys, like, subscribe. Let's move into the proceedings of the day.
When they think them a knock.
That's Godzilla. Welcome again guys. So there's no one down by Jamiewood City for us to talk to right now. Well, at least no one you guys haven't already met. So if this is your first time over here, go and check out previous videos so you can meet cast members and get an insight as to what their personalities are like. You know how the whole link up and the movie start things. So check out previous videos. Yes, there's no one down there for us to talk to, so we'll just jump straight into our short film. And yes, I hear you guys make full-length movies, Mr. Lawrence. This is a perfect segue to remind you guys to like and subscribe. Because the thing is, how I shoot my videos, I want them to, as in the filming aspect of it, I want them to look Hollywood type. You understand? I want the audio, everything should be up, the storyline, everything. So I'm just taking it one step at a time. And this is the reason, again, why you guys should like and subscribe. So you can buy me some time to get equipment because I have no equipment. Everything that I have is borrowed. I have no actors, no actresses. So whenever I get someone, I have to make sure my brain is clicking. You understand? So yes, in a sense, like the videos, subscribe if it's your first time, help me get some equipment. That is how you help me get equipment. Yes, so help me get some equipment. Let us shoot some full-length movies, but for the time being, short films. Not gonna tell you what it's about, but the intention is to, you know, get my practice up, get better, and have you guys feel some type of way and be entertained. So let's jump straight into our short film, guys. Things beyond my control. I'm not gonna be able to present you guys with a short film in this one. But I'm gonna try salvage whatever I can salvage by having you guys know that I was going to continue that short dialogue that I did with the side girl and the husband. So the side girl get pregnant and want to keep it, but the husband, you know, him have him wife and pit in the yard, so him not want to keep it. So we were supposed to move to the scene now where, so I just I got tell you the story. So we were supposed to move to the scene now where the wife come check a friend in the morning, and the reason why the wife come and check the friend in the morning is to tell the friend say, oh, she pregnant, but then what them a talk normal and a gossip about whatever. And then she tell the friend, say, so the wife tell the friend that she's going to check, say she's pregnant. But her being pregnant is not for the husband, she's pregnant for her next man, I know. You see me? So that is where the twist coming. So she I think about that shit where, and she going to tell the friend convince her to keep it and give the man a jacket. So that are the same brother where I tell the side chick say she for that shit where because she can't run left for her family. So the wife get pregnant now and I go bring one jacket for her. So bring one jacket for him. But the thing is, things beyond my control that prevent me from shoot it, guys. I am so sorry. And as bad as you might feel, I still ask enough to like the video. and subscribe, because that is a part of how, you know, me won't reach some kind of obstacle here. So yeah, I was out here early this morning, but yeah, never get to shoot it, but that would have been the continuation. So from there to Ray blah blah. So yeah, as usual people, thank you for tuning. Thanks for the support. Sorry me never get to put in the last part of the short film there. As I say, things beyond my control. I get up this morning and I try to get it done, but it just never work out. Things beyond my control. And yeah, you know, when I work with females, yeah, I'm as a person, I like make females feel uncomfortable. Like, as in, like, if them feel uncomfortable because of some outside of what we do, then I go just allow them the space to deal with whatever them have to deal with. So yeah, and the thing is, sometimes persons aren't available, or when they are available, them have to do something else. So them they are the amount of roadblock them on my face fully for the time. So yes, that is why I always come on here and beg you to say you like the videos and subscribe. So I know I can buy myself sometime for make full length videos and avoid them kind of nonsense here, but yeah. Yeah, I know I should not drink so early, but the amount of effort I put out to just try to get that thing finished and then not getting it finished, it kinda stressful. If you guys know anything about me, well, you don't know still. I love the camera. Anytime I do nothing with the camera and I work out, my heart kinda break it a bit. So this is the result of that. But anyhow, big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in. May I make it up tuning at the next upload? A little more.